As you can tell, I'm currently at Family Dollar and I'm gonna be couponing for the 5 off 25. And there's a lot of people, so let's hurry up and go. I don't want to be recording anybody because I don't want to get a dribble or get yelled at. I'm ready to check out. I'm in front of the store, so hopefully nobody stares at me, but I just got done doing the 5 off 25 and I'll show you guys my deal. So I did go over $25 just because there were some items that I couldn't pass up that were such a good deal. So let me start with Airwick. Airwick, I have a coupon for if you buy one, you get the other one free, and it has to be up to $5.49, I believe, and it has to be the 10 pack. So I got 2 of those, and as you can see, one of the coupons came off for that, and it was $5 because it was free. And they're priced at $5 each, by the way. Also, I got Downy liquid detergent, the 60 load. It is $5, and I got my $1 off plus an additional 50 cents. And says where it says Family Dollar Smart Coupon. I'm not sure why that's on that area. Then there's Gain. I got a liquid fabric softener. It says it was, I think, $4.95, but as you can see, it says here on the receipt, regular price $5, but it's on sale currently for $3.95. And I did get my $2 smart coupon off, or should I say my digital coupon off, and I'm so glad. Another tip that I want to tell you guys is never stop at your subtotal at 25 pre-tax. Always go I would say at least $2 over 25 because you never know when things are on sale, just like this. And I did not look at the ad, by the way, so I didn't know that, but I did go over 25 like I said. And I recommend for you to go at least $2 or $3 above 25. Another thing is Pine Sol. It was priced at $2. I did not get my 50 cent off, but that's okay because maybe it's this. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm okay because it deducted 50 cents, which is the 50 cents that would have been applied to the Pine Sol. Another thing is the Tide, and there's a lot of people coming. Regular price $3, on sale for $2.95, and I had a smart coupon for $2. Good deal. Next, Gain Flings. It didn't have a tag, but it said $4.50, so that's what I calculated. But it's on sale for $3.95, and I had a $2 off coupon. Next item is Tide Pod Spring Meadow 16 count. Originally $4.95, not on sale, but I had a $2 off coupon. And then where it says Housewares $3. At first I didn't understand why, what was it, and I thought I got overcharged for something, but no, that's for toothpaste. So it was $3, and I was actually supposed to get $2 off, which didn't come off, and that's the only reason why I got the toothpaste. Now that I'm looking at that, and do I want to return that? Since I'm still here, I think I might have to return that, you guys, because I'd rather pay $1 for toothpaste than $3. I really didn't need toothpaste. I just got it because I thought it was going to be cheap. So I'm going to go back in. But I did get my smart coupon off for the $5, which is right there for the 5 off 25. Subtotal $16.30. I would have saved more if it wasn't for the toothpaste. Subtotal with Florida tax $18.27. And my smart savings is $19.50 for 9 items. So for 9 items I paid $16.30 pre-tax, and I'm gonna go back and return the toothpaste because I didn't get my $2 off. And let me show you guys the items that I got. I'm just gonna go through this real quick. I got one of these Gains, a Downy liquid detergent, Pine Sol, Gain, Tide, this was a good deal, another Tide, my Airwicks, my 2 Airwicks. These are the only scents they had, so I just got one of each. This one smells really good. It smells fruity. And then I got this toothpaste, which I'm about to return because I didn't get my coupon off. I later then realized that it says whitening, which excludes from that $2 coupon. Okay, y'all, so I just got my money back, $3.20. And I did not have a hard time, thank the Lord, because there's usually bossy, rude people that act like they don't want to help you, and all you want is, assistance. But with those $3, I'm gonna go to McDonald's because I have a receipt. If you guys haven't noticed, when you go to McDonald's and you make a purchase, there's a little survey number that you enter, or your receipt number, do that survey, rate it highly satisfied, I believe. But I've also tried when I'm not satisfied or disappointed or whatever the option is, and I still would get a free whatever it's called, a free burger or a free breakfast sandwich. But I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like so you know what I'm talking about. It just looks like this, you guys, and as you can see it has a receipt number, and I put my survey number, and I'm gonna go use it right now. So there ain't no point of y'all screenshotting it and trying to use it, because I think you need to use a receipt, or you need to give them a receipt anyway. Here's a closer look. So this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna buy an Egg McMuffin and get one for free. So I'm gonna go do that right now. I have arrived at my destination. I'm gonna go pick that up, and I'm gonna go inside because there's a line through the drive-thru. So I just got my Egg McMuffin right here. Got one, and got the other one for free. But I'm making a mess, and my husband doesn't want one, so more for me, even though I don't need it. Here goes my proof right here. Got my promo, my free sandwich. I honestly thought it was gonna be no more than $3 just because McDonald's is super duper cheap. But just for one, $3.49, you guys. Which I don't feel like is a good deal, because you're getting it two. Basically, when you do the survey and you get one for free, it's like getting two for $3.49. But if you really think about it, there's gas stations who sell it 2 for $3. But oh well. And I've never ever tried an Egg McMuffin before, honestly. Let me see if I can back up without hitting anybody with these dark glasses. And there's a car coming, so I need to hurry up. And this is so good. I told you guys I never had one before, right? It's a muffin with I think it's ham, fried egg, some cheese. I love cheese, and it's just so good.